Welcome to our Reo Māori lesson about words for the skate park. The skate park is a great place to hang out and have fun. And after this lesson, I hope you can also articulate yourself in Te Reo Māori while enjoying the space. In Māori, the word for skate park is paparetireti. Paparetireti literally translates to ground to skate on. Roller skates are known as huwira or wheel shoes. My favourite, because I grew up in the early 2000s, is papawira or skateboard. But I also see a lot of kids riding scooters these days, which are known as kutarere. The ramp is known as a ronaki. The rail is known as a rango retireti. The half pipe is a hawhe paipa, and the quarter pipe is a quarter paipa. The grind box is known as a pauaka reti. Anyway, I'm going to go down the ronaki nui, the big ramp, to see if I still got it. Oh, and last thing, pōtai maro, helmet. Wish me luck. We hope you enjoyed this lesson about words for the skate park.